Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Anbusdt. It's a new USSD mining website. In this video I am going to talk about each and everything in detail. Don't skip the video. Please watch the video till the end. Okay, let's get started. After sign up this website, they are giving 8 USSD sign up bonus and 0.8 USSD daily signing bonus. If you would like to deposit and earn in this website, do with your own research. First of all, you have to create the account. The link in the description. After clicking the link, you can see the interface like this. You have to give your phone number and recapture your CAPTCHA and give your security password and give your transaction password and enter your invitation code and register. Tap on the register button to register the account, and after register the account you have to log in and give your mobile number to log in and password. And after logging the account, you can see on the screen you have received 8.8 USDT. It's a bonus, sign in bonus and sign up bonus. Daily you can sign in and earn 0.8 USSD, and you have now received 8 USSD in your account. Here you can earn, subscribe and take the interest. You can find the list in the screen, BNB and USDT, Ethereum USDT. You can subscribe the list and earn the interest as shown in the screen. And you can recharge. Here is a recharge button. You can recharge and withdrawal button. If you want to recharge, you can withdraw. You withdraw. How to withdraw? They give the 𝗕𝗏𝗏 address and withdrawal amount. Give you a security password you have entered when you sign up. You can withdraw the USSD from this account. You can earn more, refer your friend. Here is the invitation code, invitation link. You copy the link and share in your social media and YouTube channel, in everything in your site. This is a referral commission. You see 2% commission you can earn by referring the friend. While they are giving the bonus, don't miss it. Sign up and now get the bonus 8.8 USSD and daily sign in the app and get the bonus 0.8 USDT. In my next video, I will show you how to earn money using this website. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.